How to add Netflix account on another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add Netflix account on another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to add a Netflix account on another phone, it doesn't matter on which phone or laptop you want to add, and also keep in mind you need to remember your email address and your password or the phone number in order to log in another account. You can't just say, just because I'm logged in on my main account I also want to log in on other devices. That's not how it's going to work. You have to log in manually using your email, phone number or password. Now once you do that, open the Netflix application on your other device. Let's say, assuming that this is the other device itself, you'll find a login option from the top right hand side of the screen, which you can use from here. Make sure to enter your email or phone number manually that is associated with your Netflix account, and you can also go on about entering your password. Once you enter your password, you can tap the sign in option to sign into your account. This way you can go and actually add Netflix account on another phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.